In this ukulele tutorial, we are wrapping up our song challenge, and we're bringing in a really great motivational song, feel-good song. This one is Panic at the Disco, High Hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars, but I didn't make a killing. I didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes. All right, so welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here, and also thanks for subscribing to that channel. Turning on that bell notification. This is our song challenge. We've been doing some amazing songs in this challenge, everything from Santana to Little Girl from Ipanema, and we're gonna wrap up this challenge with a fun, kind of upbeat song, High Hopes by Panic at the Disco. This is a great song. I love the message of the song, and I also like the story of Brandon Urie, the singer of Panic at the Disco, kind of the story he has. We'll talk a little bit more about that later. But anyway, this is a free song challenge. If you haven't signed up, we'll put a link below. You can get all the backing tracks, which are amazing, absolutely amazing. Wait till you hear them at the end when we do our play along, sing along. Absolutely fantastic. We do have a fast and a slow one there. You also can get the music with the lyrics, all the chord shapes and everything that you need to know for the song. And you could be entered to win the Call Sparkle ukulele that we're giving away for this challenge. And then when you go through the process, you'll have a little VIP option that we're going to offer you. Definitely take advantage of that. All right, so check this out. All right, so it's going to be the same progression for the intro, the chorus. Yeah, it starts at the chorus, then the verse. Then there's only thing it changes is the bridge part. We'll get to that later. And then it ends on the chorus again, all right? So it's really cool. Really kind of simple strum pattern. It's just that it's a little fast. Right? That's really the biggest thing here. So it's going to be B flat chord, and this is a bar chord. It's not that hard. Just got to bar a couple of the strings here. So B flat to the F to the D minor. Just add that third finger, and then it's the first time here. It's going to go to C. I'm going to use the bar chord C up here on the 3rd fret. If you want to use open C, totally fine, but I'm going to use the bar chord C. Then, the second time, B flat, F, D minor, and then A minor chord there for the second time. And that's it. Like I said, intro, chorus, verse is all going to have that same progression. Now, the strum pattern, I'm just going to do this. All it is going to be a down, down, up, down, down, up for every chord. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down the C chord. And then the second time. All right, and like I said, that's for your intro, that's for your chorus, that's for your verses. Now, when the chorus comes in, had to have high hopes. There's your melody note right there. F, G, F, A, A. Had to have high hopes for the living. Shooting for the stars, but I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision. Always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living. I didn't know how, but I always had a feeling I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. All right, so that's the chorus part. Now, when we get to the verse, it's going to be the same exact progression. Nothing changes there, but we're going to do a couple things differently. One, the melody is slightly different. Mama said. So it actually goes down to C, C, F, Mama said. And you'll notice in the backing track that it's going to kind of break down a little bit. So we're going to change the strum pattern just slightly, okay? So instead of going, which is a little bit more dry, we're just going to do this. All right, it just puts a little bit longer hold on that first chord, all right? So check this out. Here we go. Let's count it. 3, and Mama said, fulfill your prophecy, be something greater. Go make a legacy, manifest destiny. Back in the day, we wanted everything. We wanted everything. Mama said, burn your biography, rewrite your history, light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day, we want everything. We want everything. All right, so how cool is that? Now check out this next part. Mama said, don't give up. It's a little complicated. Woo! All right, such a cool thing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna break this down even further now. We're just gonna go to a 1 strum here per chord. And I'm gonna use my thumb so you can get that nice kind of rake through the strings. So Instead of that, just gonna get this nice rake, so F chord, and then we're gonna go to this A augmented chord. Yeah, any song that has augmented chord, it's gotta be a good song. All right, then you're gonna go to D minor, and then B flat minor. Okay, B flat minor, change it up a little bit, throw a little curveball in it, back to F, the A augmented, D minor, and then the second time, D, da da dee 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 dee, and then you're gonna go right back to that high energy chorus. Right? Okay, so let's do this part here, right here. It's gonna have a little bit of a vocal pickup, so I'm gonna count you in 1, 2, 3. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I hate to see you waiting. And then back to, had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars, but I didn't. All right, so we're just gonna stop it there, but that's gonna be another chorus before we take it to the end, and then we'll just end on a B flat major chord. So like I said earlier, this is a great song. It's good to see motivational songs out on pop radio. And this is a kind of great message because the lead singer of Panic at the Disco, which is the only remaining original member, Brandon Urie, he's gone through a lot of trials, tribulations through his career. A lot of different band members have come and gone, and so he's just sticking with it. I mean, the band formed in 2004. Here we are, 2020, and we're still talking about it. So great job on that and a great song. So are you ready? Are you ready? Because now we're going to bring in the backing track, and my man, Pear, as always, destroys it. This is fantastic backing track. Again, if you want these backing tracks slow and the fast, we're gonna do the fast one right now. You can get it. Sign up below for the challenge, and you'll get all the stuff you need to play the song. All right, you ready? Show me what you got. A 1, 2, 3, and... the stars, but I couldn't make a killing. I didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision. Always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living. I didn't know how, but I always had the feeling I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. Mama said, fulfill your prophecy, be something greater. Go make a legacy, manifest destiny. Every day we want everything, we want everything. Mama said, burn your biographies, rewrite your histories, light up your wildest dreams, museum victories. Every day we want everything, we want everything. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I hate to see you wait. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars, but I couldn't make a killing. I didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision. Always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living. I didn't know how, but I always had a feeling I was gonna be that one in a million. Always had high hopes. Woo! Whew, I'm telling you, there's a lot of lyrics in that song. And it's real easy to get stuff flipped around like I do most of the time. But I always try to get this stuff memorized. So work on it, get it memorized. That way you can focus in on the rhythm, you can focus on the emotion, getting the lyrics and everything. So I find it best to try to get everything memorized if possible. So anyway, thanks for being here for this challenge. If you dig in what we're doing here, check out ukelikethepros.com. We got premium memberships up there. We got courses, ukulele, guitarlele, baritone, everything you need to know, become a great musician and player. So anyway, again, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Good job. And look forward to seeing your videos, and we'll see you next time.